Okay, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think we have finished the assignment with linear probing last practical 10 years.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir, one doubt was there. Sir, can you explain average case of time complexity again?
Average case time complexity. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes. So, what is exact doubt? So, I will resolve that.
Sir, basic concept only means it's like,
Okay. Okay. So, calculating average case complexity or just an average case? What is average case complexity?
sir, means calculating.
Okay. Okay. Have you got the best case and worst case complexity?
Yes, sir, got.
Okay. Okay. So, what we mean by average then? What you understood? What do you mean by
Sir,
average?
means average means like total time upon total cases for.
No. Basically, what time complexity, what it gives us. Okay, so it gives us in how much amount of time our program is going to execute. That's the concept. It's clear.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Suppose now you have done a program for hash map. Okay, so now in that hash map, I have given you 10 elements. Okay, so that 10 elements you have to insert in the hash map. Okay. So now what I have to do, I will tell you one key that I want to search in that particular hash table, whether it is present or not. Okay, that's my task. Okay. So will it be a fixed execution time required for your program, or it will be variable time? Means what? Fixed means what? Suppose I have given one key, or I have given you any key, basically any key. Okay, so will it be fixed time required for searching, or it will be variable, or it depends? How we can tell?
Sir, if in it will depend. No? Means any
It will
case.
depend. Yes,
Yes.
yes. It will depend. Okay, once so in basically in hash it will be off one actually. But if we consider linear search, what happen? So suppose you have a list of 10 elements. Okay, and I have given you 10 elements. You are stored in that list. Okay, and I have given you one key to find whether that key is present in that list or not. Okay, so
Yes.
will it be completed in one turn, or it will require any number of turns?
It will require any number of
Any
turns,
number of terms. Okay, so
randomly.
that's the situation. Okay, best case means what? If that key is found at first location, we'll call it as the best case.
Yes.
Okay, if the key is found at last position or it's not present, then we'll call it worst case. Okay, and average case means what? It will found at first or last or in between.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, means what? Any program can perform in best. Only the thing is that what is the difference? Best case means what? Below one, it's not possible. Yes,
Yes, sir.
below one comparison is not possible. At least we have to compare at once. Okay, and worst case means what? Above n it's not possible. Final comparison will be n. That's the range. We can make a range bound, lower bound and upper bound. It's clear.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Okay, so lower bound and upper bound, in between the space we'll call it as an average case complexity. Okay,
Okay.
so your same program can be in best case, can be in worst case. It depends. Okay, how you are going to work on that. Where we have to focus, actually, we have to focus our program. So it should have minimum worst case complexity. That is for every program. If you are going to see, okay, nowhere we are using this omega and theta notations. Okay, we are only interested in big O of n, big O of whatever the number you have. Okay, so
Yes.
that's we are interested. Okay, so if you are able to minimize that worst case complexity big O, then that will be okay. Okay, so rest will be that. Clear?
Yes.
Anything you're asking? Yes. Okay. Any other thing anyone want to ask? Okay, so what I will do now, today I'm not going to teach that much. Okay, so I will give a task. Okay, is it okay? So that you have to present after 30 minutes. Is it okay? So same program, I am giving some modifications. Okay, and that you can do individually or you can do in group. Okay, group will be okay. Okay, so if any means you are able to collaborate in group by other way. Okay, so means not here. Okay, you can have your groups already, mini project groups in first year you have. Okay, so what I will do, I will give you two tasks. Okay, so the same assignment we have, two tasks I will give you. So your program you have to modify accordingly. So is it okay with everyone? And I will tell the group to explain that thing. Is it okay? Hello, or I have to teach? Yes. काय झालं, आवाज येतोय ना माझा?
हो सर.
मला वाटतं सेकंड इयरला गेल्यानंतर बरेच ऑफलाईन झाले, म्हणजे बरेच लॉग इन करून जायला लागले मला वाटते. काय केस आहे? साक्षी आर यू देअर? साक्षी, देवर्ष, मंदार, प्रथमेश आहेत का सगळे?
Yes, sir.
आहेत ना. मला वाटलं सेकंड इयरला आले म्हणजे आता फक्त लॉग इन करून जायला लागले वाटतं.
No, sir.
ठीक आहे. So I will explain you what exactly we have to do. Okay, so I will give you some amount of time. Okay, let's suppose 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We'll just finish up that task in that particular period. Okay, so that will finish up our first assignment also, that already we have discussed. Okay, and along with that, your practice will be okay with that. Is it okay? So you can do individually or you can do in group. So this idea is okay. So I have to explain or you can do. काहीच रिप्लाय
थोडं एक्सप्लेन करून द्या ना सर.
नाही, मी एक्सप्लेन करणार सगळं, फक्त प्रोग्राम मी नाही करून दाखवणार. ओके, प्रोग्राम यू हॅव टू डू. ओके
येस सर.
ओके, तर काही नाहीये, पहिला जो असाइनमेंट आहे तोच आपल्याला थोडा मॉडिफाय करायचा आहे. ओके, सो आय एक्सपेक्ट एक्झिक्युशन आन्सर फ्रॉम एव्हरी ग्रुप ऑर इंडिव्हिज्युअल. ओके, सो देर आर ऍक्च्युली वन मेथड वी ऑलरेडी कवर्ड. ओके, सो दॅट इज लिनियर प्रोबिंग. ओके, सो तेवढं कळालं सगळ्यांना मागच्या प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये जे केलं आपण लिनियर प्रोबिंग?
येस सर.
Okay, so this is my hash table. So this is my hash table. So I will just make it like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is my hash table. Okay, I will make it some more, like 10 buckets we can make. Okay, but compulsory it is not needed for 10 buckets. Okay, so we'll make it 8. This is 9. Okay, so these are now 10 buckets. Okay, and we have seen in last that session. Okay, so this is my key space. Okay, so these are my keys that I want to store. Okay, so this is key. Okay, and this is hash table. Okay, so what we did in last practical. Okay, so if I have a number like this, okay, 3, then 4, then I have 15, then I have 99. Okay, so like that I have a number. Okay, so again I have a number like 14. Okay, so these are my numbers. Okay, so what we did, we have mapped with a key function like this. Okay, so that is key mod 10. Okay, so that is key mod 10. Okay, so that we have discussed. Okay, so what we are doing, so now 3 will be placed at the location 3. Okay, next 4 will be placed at location 4. 15 will be placed over here. Okay, so 99 will be placed at this location 99. Okay, so where the 15 will be gone, so now sorry, this 14 will go. Okay, so this 14 will be placed over here, but this is the collision. Okay, so this we call as a collision. Wait a minute. Okay, so this we call it as a collision. Okay, so how we can avoid collision? What we did in last practical? Hello. Yes, what we did in last practical to avoid this collision?
We placed it in next VT slot.
Yes, yes. So yes, yes. So we have done that. Take me. Sorry. Okay, so we have seen linear probing. Okay, so in linear probing, what we did. Okay, so now these 4 we are checking whether that next position is empty. So if it is empty, then we are going to place at the position. If not empty, then we are going to place at next position. Okay, so it will be 14 over here. This much is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this linear probing we did. Okay, so I just modify this program, which is called as a quadratic probing. Okay, so what is quadratic probing? It's very simple. What happens now with this linear? Suppose there is one another number. Okay, so I will take one another number, that is 44, which is in my list. Okay, so what happens? So that 44 is again going to place at this location. So if you see this space, okay, if you see this space, okay, So now the allocation is going to happen in a contiguous memory. Yes. So by these numbers, it is going to fill up much of the continuous memories. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to avoid this, because if some numbers like this having 55, okay, so, suppose now 56 we can say, so it will make an unnecessary collision. Yes. So it has no number with 6 index. Okay. So it makes unnecessary collision. Okay. So this will happen with this quadratic also, but we want to increase the spacing in between. Okay. So instead of placing that into the linear way, okay, we are going to make a quadratic way. So quadratic way means what? We are making it that is n square, we can say n square. Okay. And n will be from I equal to 1 to n. Okay. So it will be 1 2 3 up to, it is going to place into the nth place. Okay. So what will happen? So last time we have seen, so it will be f of x, it will be f of x plus, it will be f of I, f of x plus f of I, that we have done, okay, last time. So my f of x will be the same thing, that is mod. Okay. So that we have this is f of x, my f of x is this k mod 10. Okay. Plus what we did in last time, it is I will be 1 or 2. Yes. Hello.
Yes,
So
sir.
suppose my collision is at 3. Okay. So otherwise in this case my collision is that happened at 4. Okay. So we are making 4 plus 1. Okay. So if that place is filled, so we are making 4 plus 2. Next time we are increasing it 2. Next that is filled also, then we are increasing 3. So instead of that, what we are making, so we are making and that number square. Okay. So we are making 4 plus 1 square 1. If that is filled, okay, so the next will be 4 plus 2 square. So where it will be now placed? 8 location. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this particular what we'll say 14. Okay. So it is not going to place at this location. It is going to place into the next location. Okay. So that is going to place into the 8 location. Okay. So if you see, so now the gap is increased. Yes. So 14 is going to place at this location. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
we have some distributed things over here. This is called as a quadratic probing. Okay, so any doubt in this? No quadratic probing. It's just a modification to last time program. Clear this much? Okay, so basically we want to avoid this linear space. Both way it will work, will give us the same thing. Okay, but the contiguous space which is going to be freeze by the number of collisions, we have to avoid that freezing of continuous positions. Okay, so for that purpose we are doing this quadratic probing. Clear? Okay, so that's the only thing. Both way it will be same actually for smaller buckets. Okay, so I want 2-3 things from you. What should be a you have to implement this quadratic probing with your program. Okay, and the next and very important question to you. Okay, that is size of bucket. Okay, what size of bucket we have to keep. Okay, so it's size of bucket there that we want to find out. Okay, what size of bucket that we have to keep. Okay, so that will give us the good result. Okay, so it should not be like fixed. Okay, so it's not 10 actually always. Okay, it is k mod bucket. Okay, so it may k mod bucket you can say. So bucket can be 7, bucket can be 15, bucket can be 100. Okay, so your bucket can be any bucket size you can have. Okay, so what I am expecting, you have to implement the quadratic probing first. Okay, and then next we have you have to answer me what should be the size of bucket. Okay, so this much is expected from your side. This much is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is done because this already we did, so I am just expecting from your side. Okay, so this is we have from that you have to modify. Okay, so I think it will won't need much time. Okay, and the next part that we require actually, okay, so that we have to implement the chaining. Okay, so the next part we have to implement, that is chaining. So I will explain you chaining now. Okay, so you just go how we can you just think, okay, so how we can implement this. Okay, so if it is implemented, no issue, it's very good, but at least you have to give the thought process of chaining. Okay, so how we can implement this. Okay, so how chaining works now with the same scenario. Okay, so I will have this table, sorry, this hash table we have. Okay, so in that hash table we have like this 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose these are the few buckets I have. Okay, so I have this x number. Okay, and there is one collision happens with the number x dash. Okay, so in chaining, what we are going to do, we are adding this number over here only. Okay, so we are adding one horizontal list over here. Okay, we can create one horizontal list over here, so that will be added over here with pointer next. Okay, so now this whole array will be of type linked list. Okay, so that I will explain you, but it's better if you have some good, what we'll say, solution for this. So x dash will be added over here, so x dash will be added here. There is one another number if comes with the same, so that is collision will be for x double dash. Okay, so that f double dash will be added relevant to this location only. Okay, so this will be added over here like this. So I will make this as the last node. Okay, so it will be x double dash, so that will be added over here. Okay, so this will be this is called as the chaining. Okay, so this way we are not filling up the space. Okay, so this extra space we are not filling. Okay, so there is no confusion with this, no extra computation we need. Okay, so directly if you have to search the key, so we have to go to this location, and from this location we'll just jump to the chained locations of that particular list. Okay, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am expecting quadratic probing to be implemented from your side. Okay, and for linear probing, chaining. For chaining, what you have to do? Chaining, you just give me a thought. Okay, so how we can do? Okay, so that you just give thought, and if you are implemented, okay, so then also it's okay. And for chaining, you can, yes.
सर चेनिंग के लिए हमें लिस्ट क्लास इंक्लूड करना पड़ता है ना सर
You can have this list class. Okay, so that I am just telling. So you just check that list which is inbuilt class which is available in C++. Okay, so that you also take help of. Okay, so clear. So what I will do? Okay, so now it's 2:24. Okay, so I will give it 30 minutes time. Okay, so at 3 p.m. it's okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so how you have to implement, you just discuss yourself. It's implemented in group, that's very well. Okay, so at least the same group you can follow, group of 4 people. Okay, so if you are implemented in the same group, it's okay. Okay, otherwise you can do individually also. Okay, if you are going to implement in group, then you can leave the meeting, you can create your own meeting, and you can discuss and create the things. Okay, you just Google it also for these techniques. Okay, how we can do. Okay, so what I will do, I will rejoin at 3 p.m. max to max 3:05. Is it okay? Okay, so you can stay over here, no issue. If you leave also, you can create, but don't waste time. Okay, it's not to waste time. Okay, at 3 p.m. We'll have a discussion on that. So this first assignment will be completed.